Well, it is finally here, everyone. It is the video you've all been waiting for, and it's finally arrived. So, as a lot of you know, a few weeks ago, we did hit 100,000 subscribers. And that does mean on YouTube that you do get the Silver Plaque Award. Now, it was a bit of a risky one getting this sent over, wasn't it?
Yes,
because
definitely.
The Tenerife mail, the Canary Islands mail, and Spanish mail, if you don't know, is a nightmare. It did get stopped in customs, so it was all in Spanish, and it's DHL calling and FedEx calling, and we've got your parcel. It went on for a few days, but it's here. So we're going to be unboxing it, showing you it as well, and what a journey it's been all the way from the start. Those very amateurish vlogs and...
Oh, when we were both like... Hi.
Guys, welcome to a new vlog and a new channel. This is going to be my channel. I'm going to do a few videos, a few different trips, as much as I can within the amount of hours that I work. Now, around this time every year, I'm going to read it from the phone because there's quite a bit of info. The Earth passes around the cloud of dust. I'm going to let these bikers go past. See what I mean? It's not easy. It's not easy. It passes through the cloud of dust, and the rocks that the swift turtle comet has left in each of the orbits around the sun is visible. So there's loads of... It's basically a meteor shower, loads of shooting stars, lots of nice sky to see. So, very, very busy in here. I do like it. It's nice and new. Very shy and everything. If you've watched from the start as well, this award is as much for you as it is for us. It's going to be on display in our office here. But it's exciting, so we'll get opening up and unboxing it. We'll read what it comes. So you have got the plaque. Now, the plaque did change in size, so it is a smaller size than they used to be. So what have we got here? So starting off with this letter from YouTube. So it does say, do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th, your 1000th? I do remember hitting 1,000. Chances are that you do, and we know you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video on YouTube. No matter how they came across your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because you and the community that you've built. And that is a big, important one there, the community that we've built.
Definitely our community is pretty good. It's
the strongest you've got on YouTube. There's having 100,000 subscribers, and there's having the community that we've got with the Facebook group, the TikTok, the Instagram, all of these other things that come into it. Over here in Tenerife, the bar, the cars, the way our community is, people meeting up in the bars together, making friends. There's a lot of people who've made fantastic friends who've come together from watching the channel. Yeah. Oh yeah, you watch the Knightstrider channel, so do we, and the next minute they're full-on friends, they're going on holiday together. It is quite an amazing... Yeah. It really does. Our community is amazing. We're proud to honour your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you may have more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them with even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. So there we go. You get a nice little carded letter. I'm going to frame that as well to go next to the award. So it's more like A5 size now. But yeah, it's a nice letter. I do remember there's one particular one that sticks with me, and it was around when we'd hit the 100. I think we hit the 1,000 subscribers, and I remember for some reason it sticks with me. And it was one person said, "Oh, you've hit the 1,000, but you'll never hit 10,000." And then here we are at 100.
I remember hitting 10,000, being like, wow, that's so many subscribers.
Yeah, we did a walk to the old school Los Cristianos Tandoori hut, didn't we?
Yeah.
Eating what you like. Right,
it's all sorted by
bottle
of champagne
then.
It'll be 5 desserts then, Harry.
So it's all sorted. Thank you very much,
Thank you very
Mum and
much.
Dad. Thank
Thank
you.
you very much,
Cheers,
Paul,
mate.
Lydia.
Super duper. Cheers. Thanks for that.
From Last Americas, I remember hitting that one. Yeah, it's been amazing. It's just grown and grown, but not just here on YouTube, but in person, and people meeting up, the community we've got, the Florida community we've got as well. Don't forget, it's not just here in Tenerife. We've got the big Florida community. We've got a mix of both. We've got people who love both. It's amazing. So here we go. Here is our lovely silver plaque. So we've got some nice little holes on the back there to hang it on the wall, which is where it'll be going. It's a shame they don't ask you to do. If you did have a desk, they don't have a stand on it.
That'd be nice.
So we will be hanging it up on the wall. I'm going to hang it next to the letter there. And it is nice, it's good quality. They have reduced the size. Their reasoning is for environmental.
I think they might have reduced the size for that one. Then the gold one will be bigger, and then you get your diamond one, which is obviously small. So I think they've made it so it's more stand out per milestone.
So there is another little card in the box here that says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honoured to take part in recognising your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping and you have any other questions, you can contact YouTube Creator Awards. So big thank you to Rick for packaging
I like that because
our,
it feels like they genuinely have took the time to be like, yeah, they've got their 100,000 subscribers.
And they make sure it's polished and
yeah, they're on it.
And then you have got another card here which just shows you it does go, as Laura said, it goes up in size.
Yeah, so I think they've done that so it's more stand out. Because they were both the same size before, so I think it's more stand out with.
Yeah.
So what's the gold?
So the gold is for 1 million, and then you get to, I think it's 10 million or 100 million. You get the diamond shaped thing, which you never know one day.
Who's got a diamond? Do you reckon?
There's quite a few. I think producer Michael's nearly there. I think some of those other big channels. But the main thing and the main reason of this video is, of course, to thank you all as well. Without you following along and watching the videos and liking and subscribing, there wouldn't be the community, there wouldn't be 100,000 subscribers, and it is all thanks to you. And the award is basically to you and the community as well. Of course, we've had loads of people along the way. There is so many to list. Of course, starting the channel off with Lee, we've had the family, we've had so many people along the way, friends, subscribers. Of course, along the way you get the few that try and tear you down, but our community is so strong that we've reached this level, which is just amazing.
It's amazing, yeah.
So a big thank you to anyone who's been involved in videos and all the different collaborations we've done, the Florida villas, all the amazing villa owners.
Even the people who give us suggestions on where to go to eat, you've helped.
The people just watching in the background who maybe don't even interact, but they watch the videos, everything counts. That's the big thing with the channel. Liking, watch time, everything all comes together, and it's a massive thank you to you. Now, that does bring us to a little bit of a reward for everyone, a chance to do something fun. So I am going to be giving away a free week in my apartment, the studio apartment here in Los Cristianos. I'm going to give away a free week for you to use in the summer of 2026. So that's any time from May all the way through to the end of September. You'll be able to pick a week where you can enjoy the apartment. That will also include a car for that week as well. And the Tenerife channel are also going to be throwing in some Siam Park tickets or history tickets, whichever you prefer. So to enter that giveaway, do please bear in mind, I was a bit reluctant to do one because there's so many scams now on here with people saying you've won and commenting saying you've won. Please do be aware of that. The only way you're going to find out the winner is from me in a video. So if someone comments to you or has a fake account of me saying you've won, please ignore it. The only way you're going to find out if you've got this is from me in a video saying your name in a video in person.
It will be uploaded from your YouTube channel to your YouTube channel, so it won't be anywhere else. It'll only be on your YouTube.
So do please be very careful. Now to enter, what I want you to do, all of you anyway, get in the comments and let us know, when did you start watching the channel? What was the first video you watched of ours? if you can remember it. If you've been here right from the start, let us know in the comments as well, and we will be using the random comment picker to pick a winner for a nice free week over here in Tenerife. Accommodation, car, some excursions in there as well. Super, super exciting. I'm made up. We got the award, not just as a milestone, but it actually arrived in the mail is one massive achievement. I feel like a bit a million the fact this arrived in the mail, because the Spanish post is absolutely horrendous. So a massive thank you to you all. Thank you to everyone who's been involved, and stride on to the next one. Let's get the goal. Let's go for it. And let's keep building on our amazing community. If you're not in these groups on Facebook, the Knightstrider Tenerife fan group, the Knightstrider Florida fan group, we've got the Knightstrider Villas Direct website where you can save money. We've got the Tenerife Channel excursions on board. We've got all of these things, the bar, cars here. Get involved in that. Make sure you're following us on Instagram as well. But a huge, huge thank you to everyone, the family, everyone who's just been involved. There's so many people. I could be here for an hour listing everyone.
We literally could, yeah.
But we really do appreciate it, and we are very thankful, and we're always staying grounded, and it's the community bit for me.
Yeah,
that people making friends.
We see you guys literally every day.
Every day in Los Cristianos, you come into the office. We see you all in Florida when we're over there, and the meeting people go, oh, you must get really sick of people coming over and saying hello. But what I always say to them is, I actually love it, because for me, like right now, I'm just looking at a camera lens, and then later when this is uploaded, I'll be looking at comments on my phone and on my computer. So I see you all digitally as a name and as a load of text, but I don't actually get to see you in person. So when people do come over and say hello, it's nice to put faces to names and actually see people. I'm like, this guy actually watches me at home.
Yeah.
Because for me, it's like upload, I see loads of numbers and it's had this many views and this many comments and I see names. But when you actually see them in front of you and they're like, I watch you every night in my bedroom and in my living room. And that's when I'm like, oh, people do actually sit at home and watch me. It's like...
Yeah, crazy.
Yeah, so we love meeting you all. If you do see us around, you can always come and say hello to us and stride on to the next big thing, the next videos. There's lots coming up.
Can't wait.
Lots coming up, including this week we are going on a little bit of a celebratory thing, shall we say, for hitting the 100k. So it's going to be a celebratory series. So make sure you stay tuned in for that one. Thank you all so much. Get in those comments. Let me know, when did you start watching? We'll get a random winner picked. You do have to be entered by the 30th of August. So make sure you're entered by the 30th of August. I will be announcing the winners, and then you will contact me and I will arrange it directly with you. Please ignore any fake comments. I'm hoping no one jumps on this, but unfortunately, the way it is, all these scammers and things, so do please be careful on here. You'll hear me saying your name in a video. That's the only way you're going to find out who's won. But thank you all very much. Hit the subscribe if you haven't already. Join our 100,000. We're now on 103,000 already since we hit it, which is phenomenal. It's taken a while for the award to come, but here it is. And bring it on. Thank you very much, everyone. Stride on.